Hey everyone, how's it going? So I got this Cadillac DeVille on my lift, and it's one with the North Star motor. And the customer's complaint is no AC. And what I've come to find is the system does have a good static charge, meaning there's good pressures when it's sitting and the AC is not on. So I'm pretty sure the charge is actually fine. Why is it not turning on? So I went and I checked fuses and stuff like that, and the fuses are all good. If I jump the relay, compressor turns on. Okay. So then I went and I checked for codes, and I found that there was a code, I forgot the number, but it was for high pressure being excessive. So I was like, okay. So I went down to the high pressure switch, and I'm underneath, and I just want to show you what I found. So here is the connector for the switch. And if you look, that bottom leg there that's closest to my thumb, that has actually got corrosion in it. Now let me see if I can't focus in on that a little better. They all don't look too healthy, but that one in particular, that's right there, that one in the corner. That one was the one that had a lot of corrosion in it. Now I've made a little tool, and if you could look inside and you can actually see the terminals, the female terminal actually has good spring tension to it. And I'm going to show you a tool that I made, but I want to show you something else first. Here, let me back out. That. So here is the sensor, and if you look inside the sensor, you can actually see the corrosion on the pins. I can't get a better shot of that. There, you can see it. So I actually made up a little tool, and let me show you what I got. Now this little tool, this is a male terminal that I took off of a harness, and it's kind of difficult to see. Let me just see if I can focus in on that. Yeah, it's too difficult for me. I don't have the high quality equipment yet. But if you look at it, what I did was I actually laid it across a file and smacked it with a hammer on both sides. Now what I do is I take it and I go inside the terminals like such. You can see that. Let's try to focus back in on that. Oops. Yeah. Just like that. And I basically run it in and out like that, and it acts like a file. Oops. Just like that. To clean them out. I'm never going to get it perfect, but I'm going to clean the contact points. So now I'm going to spray that out with some electrical contact cleaner just to get it as clean as possible. And I'm going to put the weather pack seal on the outside of this. I have that. And I'm going to put the switch in place. And the switch goes up there, right there. I got to see if I have a new O-ring with the switch. And that should be about it. Hopefully that's going to fix the problem. So let me go ahead and do all of that and button this back together, and then let's look at the scanner and see what the scanner shows. All right, so there it is. There's the new switch in place. I'm going to let the vehicle down, and let's check our codes and see what we got. All right, so here we are. We're in the dash integration module on my scanner, and if you look where it says AC pressure, that was up around 500 before, and the pressure status was high. Now it reads normal. So let me go back to codes. Let's see here. Let's just see if the codes are still there. The history codes, AC refrigerant overpressure. That was the code. So let me see if it clears, because it would never clear before. Okay. Continue. Display codes. Current codes, no code. History code, no code. Oops. EEPROM checksum error. That probably means nothing. But let's start it up and see if we got AC. Oh, I heard a compressor. I heard a compressor click on. Let's take a look. AC down there. Pressure's turning. That means everything's working the way it should. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let me just put my hand in front of the vent again. Yep, we got cold AC. Alright, if you get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. If you want to join our Facebook group called Backyard Mechanics, please do so. Make sure you answer all the questions. And also share with your friends if you could. Help me build the channel. Alright guys, hope you have a great rest of your day and keep wrenching.